Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it's very clear the market is trying to make a little bit of a rebound and make sure it stays in a consolidation form where it's still in an uptrend. If you pay attention to Bitcoin, you can see it has climbed back to 69,500, and on the other end, Dogecoin is back to 16 cents. What is really important is you need to pay attention to the trading volume. As we're increasing in price, you can see that the trading volume has taken a little bit of a pullback when it comes to Dogecoin, but the overall market is still seeing more inflow of cash. If we talk about the largest holder of Dogecoin, there has been some very big sales. At the same time, if Dogecoin is able to break above that 17 cents, it could rally up to 27%. Thailand police gang arrested 10 million USDT exploit, and Switzerland's banking giant launches its first tokenized fund on Ethereum. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want more things relating to crypto or specifically Dogecoin, go down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just after YouTube algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market, higher user engagement, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to talk to you guys about specifically Dogecoin. Now, you can see that after we topped off close to 18 cents this run up, now you can see that it was pretty much 3 days ago. We saw a little bit of a pullback, and right now we are in a really strong consolidation phase, which has not actually broken out, you can say, from past 24 hours. And it's very, very clear that in these 48 hours, by the way, this is a 4-hour chart, in these 48 hours, we have been in a really strong phase. Therefore, there is a lot of whales which are buying and selling, and that's one of these examples. Now, this is the largest holder of Dogecoin. Just from Dogecoin alone, they have made $3 billion, and they love to buy and sell very large sum of Dogecoin. Now, you can see on the 31st, when a lot of people were estimating that the market would keep climbing, this person decided to have about 6 sales, and they're not small numbers. They've sold close to $290 million worth of Dogecoin in a single day, and that was in the course of just 1 hour. So that should give you perspective why the market was seeing a little bit of a pullback. And to give you perspective, 300 million. Now, Dogecoin's market cap is 23 billion. Therefore, 300 million still makes up quite a big chunk of the overall market, nearly 2% of the overall market. So if we do see a 2% decrease in a single way, it could be due to just one single holder. On the other end, this is very clear. The pattern that Dogecoin is forming right now, as long as we're able to climb to the higher highs, we are going to be seeing a very explosive Dogecoin in the near future. I mean, first of all, if we're able to break above the 17 cents resistance, the rally could push us all the way to 20 cents. And it's actually very clear. 20 cents is going to be the next resistance if we're able to just break above this resistance, because this has been tested a couple of times in the previous time. But if we're able to break above that, there's not much really a strong consolidation until the 20 cent mark. And if we do see the 20 cent mark, well, let's just say the optimism will be returning to the Dogecoin market very, very quickly. And keep in mind, it's not just about Dogecoin, it's actually about the whole crypto market, making sure that Doge actually helps the whole market lead forward. And that's exactly what's been happening from the past couple of days, or past couple of years, to be honest. Every single time Dogecoin sees more inflow of cash, that's when the whole market starts to climb again. Now, there are a lot of police officers which have been paying very close attention to exploits and people stealing money in the crypto market, and this is one of those things. Now, these big news, when they come out, they do have a really strong impact on how much people are going to be trusting crypto. Now, Switzerland's banking giant USB launches its first tokenized fund on Ethereum. Now, its first tokenized product on the network, and the banking giant, which manages assets of 5 trillion, achieved a notable milestone after launching the asset named USD Money Market Investment Fund Token. The investment tool bridges the gap between traditional finance and digital technology. This is really good, because if they are able to just put their leg in and just sustain themselves and make sure that they're able to build on top of this in the future, the amount of money that will be flowing into crypto just from this one bank is not measurable. That's all I'm going to say. On the other end, the open interest has come down just about 1%, but we're still standing very strong above 900 million when it comes to Dogecoin. And the long to the short ratio, let's just say the longs are in favor. They're very, very excited, and you can see that every single day the long traders are taking a bigger chunk. Right now sitting close to 66%, therefore in very strong favor right now. Another whale is this one that also sold quite a large chunk, and you can see that they did decide to buy, but at the same time sold about 66 million at the same price. So it's a little bit of a confusion that they are going through. On the other end, the traders on Binance are closing their short positions. Now only 52% of them are going long. So you can see that now the long positions are finally taking over the short positions. So the people who were, thinking of holding the short position for a long time, they've definitely lowered the amount and suggesting that this could be the next move forward. And the less short traders we're going to have, the more we're going to be seeing the market climb. The TD substantial just flashed a buy signal on the Ethereum 4-hour chart, hinting at a potential rebound. For this bullish setup to hold, needs to stay above 2.48k. Now that's very likely that Ethereum is going to be staying above that, and that's going to be the way for the next move forward for the Ethereum holders. Now Dogecoin creator supports the idea of paying for X merch with Dogecoin. I mean, Tesla's already doing that, but having the idea of if they're given the option, would you pay for X merch with Dogecoin? I mean, X did say that their merch is coming out, and if Dogecoin is somewhere in there, trust me, their sales will go up quite a significant amount, and the Dogecoin price as well. Now, the three central banks forge a new path in the cross-border digital asset innovation. Now, the new partnership between the central target digital integration to streamline the tokenized cross-border transactions and make sure that they're able to do more modernly. This is good because big banks being able to just get into blockchain and get into crypto-related activity is going to be a big deal for the next move forward. And the Ripple's SEC lawsuit. Now, you know that this lawsuit has been going on for a long time, but now we are on the verge where it's coming to an end very soon. Given this, the appeal and the briefing could occur in the first half of 2025, and after that, there will be a very, very strong chance that Ripple will be ripping a lot of pockets. Now, Bitcoin and the risk of stable liquidity shortage. Holders should know this. Are stablecoin reserves holding back the liquidity flow into Bitcoin? And Bitcoin ETF has grown significantly lately and might have influenced the crypto's rise too. Now, right now, honestly, the stablecoins are holding the market together, and that's the important bit. As long as they're able to hold the market together and the market's able to keep climbing, that's all we like to see. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We got a long way to go. Be patient. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.